In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from CoinEx. Now, the first thing you want to do here on CoinEx, you want to hover over Assets and click on Withdraw. Now, whenever you do this here, you first want to select a coin or token and your transfer mode. So for me, I'm just going to select, for example, some USDC, and I'm going to send it using a normal transfer, and I'm going to basically select the Ethereum chain over here as my sending chain, okay? Whenever you do this here, you then have to put in your withdrawal address, so the address to which you actually want to withdraw. So for example, let's say you actually have a different wallet, for example, like a Phantom wallet, or maybe even like MetaMask or whatever you may be using, and actually it does support your network and then the coin as well. Make sure you actually use the correct address, and then after you do that, of course, paste it in here and then the receive amount you want to receive. So just type in how much, click on withdraw, and then it's going to basically arrive onto your separate wallet. Okay, of course, there's a minimum withdrawal, as you can see over here. It's 0.64 USDC in my case, so make sure you take that into consideration. And of course, you can then withdraw however much you want and you'll receive it within minutes onto your wallet. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.